Hello everyone, today I will show you how to schedule a ride in Lyft. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So in Lyft, let's say you are not taking the trip right now and you are going on either Thursday or Friday or some other days of the week. You want to schedule it, you have to click on the schedule button. And let's say you want to go from this location to this location every Friday. You want to click on next, and then you can choose the ride type, and then you can schedule the standard. So when you click on schedule standard, it will basically give you that same ride every Friday from this location to the other location that you set. And that is how you can schedule the ride in Lyft. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.